Well, Rob, what a way to kick off this European qualifying campaign. Did you see that one coming?
Look, we knew it was going to be a tough test. You know, they've 2 consecutive World Cup. They finished third both times, so we knew we were in for a tough test. They're a very good team. They've proved that time and time again. We're off the back of a few changes, and the lads deserve all the credit they're going to get, because that was what you'd call a spirited performance. We knew to stay in the game as late as possible we'd get chances. DJ had a chance. We thought, is that the one that's, you know, that we've missed out on? And Nathan Broadhead pops up late on to score the equaliser that feels like a winner at the end, and he was in tears on the pitch at the end of the game. It's incredible.
I've got to ask about Nathan's goal. We spoke to him after the game. We could just see how emotional he was. That could be quite a transformative goal for this campaign.
Yeah, that point is massive for us, absolutely. But I've just said to him, you know, that's us. That's our foundations. That's what we're all about. When we represent our supporters that are still out there singing, I can hear them now, which is brilliant. When we represent our supporters, that level of performance is what they want. And irrespective, even if we lost the game, I think we would have still got credit for the way in which we went about our business. And we can't get complacent. We've got to now build on that. That's our foundations, and take that into another tough game on Tuesday.
Joe Morrell made a really good point just now. He said in the past that could have been a game that Wales had lost. But what do you think that says about this group of players, this group of new, young players that you've got coming through, Rob?
I keep speaking about the mentality. There's a mentality change now. We don't hope to come here and get a result. We believe we can. And that mentality change is massive. And that's why we're not losing this game 2-3, 4-0. That's why we're coming. We're going toe-to-toe. I thought we grew into the game as well. I thought we were better second half when we were brave enough to keep the ball. Look, understandably, there's going to be times in the game where you're a little bit hesitant at the back to keep the ball. You're up against a fantastic team. And when they press aggressively. And if they win the ball back on the edge of the box, the chances are you're going to get punished. But when they believed in it second half and we kept the ball a little bit better, I thought we grew into the game and thoroughly deserved the point.
The hardest game on paper is out the way. You've now probably got the easiest game on paper at home on Tuesday against Latvia. How important is it now that you avoid any complacency at Cardiff on Tuesday?
Yeah, and that's my message to the players. They're elated in there, of course, and rightly so. But good teams go and give that level of performance again now. We were sensible in the substitutions. We had a plan coming into the game, and we stuck to it. You know, we can't risk the four players because they're not playing at club level. So it would have been crazy to play them 90 minutes tonight and then ask them to go again on Tuesday. So now I feel better that we've rested them and got a positive result.
Rob, safe trip back. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.